In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PO number in Zoho Invoice. That's a purchase order number, a critical part of many business transactions, which allows both you and your clients to keep track of invoice details more efficiently. Whether it's your company's internal number or a specific client's, having this information appear on your invoice PDFs can streamline your financial management and make bookkeeping a breeze. Here's how you can seamlessly add a PO number using the Custom Fields feature in Zoho Invoice. To begin, open your Zoho Invoice account and find your way to the Settings menu. You've made it this far, and now it's time to focus on Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, you'll notice various sections, but your destination is Invoices. This is where we delve into the customization that allows you to tailor-make your invoice presentation. Now, under the Invoices tab, there's an option for Field Customization. This is the key to making your invoice more informative and useful. Once you're in Field Customization, it's time to create the space where your PO number will live. You will see an option to Add a new custom field. Go ahead and click that. Now, think of how you want to label this field. A straightforward label, something like PO number, works just fine. The label will be your reference point, so it should be something easy for you and your team to identify. Next, you need to choose a data type for this field. Given that PO numbers can consist of various characters, selecting a text data type is often the most suitable choice. This allows for any combination of letters, numbers, or symbols that make up your unique PO number. Now, don't overlook the importance of visibility. To make sure this PO number appears in every invoice you generate, enable the Show in All PDFs option. By doing this, you're ensuring consistency across your documentation. Once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, it's time to save your changes. Hitting that Save button ensures that your custom field is part of your invoice template going forward. You've now successfully created a field dedicated to PO numbers, making the next step quite simple. When you go to create a new invoice, you will notice this new field available to you. All that's left to do is fill in the relevant PO number for each invoice, and it will appear automatically in the PDF version. By following these steps, you've now enhanced your invoicing format, making it not just more functional, but also more adaptable to your needs. This simple addition can make a big difference in how you manage your invoicing and record keeping. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next tutorial.